This listing is proudly presented by McMichael. Feel free to join the live chat if you have any questions. Completely remodeled and move-in ready. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in downtown Eatonton offers modern upgrades. New windows, HVAC, electrical wiring, etc. Refinished original hardwood floors, TNG wood ceilings throughout, fully modernized kitchen with new countertops and stainless steel appliances. The primary bedroom includes an ensuite bath, while the additional bedrooms are perfect for guests, a home office, or extra storage. Both bathrooms have been fully updated with modern fixtures and finishes, ensuring style and functionality. This home is perfect for comfortable living. Enjoy the inviting front porch and private backyard. Conveniently located in Eatonton, this home is just minutes from local shops, restaurants, and all the activities the lake area.